All right, everyone. A real quick update on JASMY here. So, JASMY, as we can see, we've been watching on the Gate.io weekly chart, macro chart here, the potential for a large head and shoulders pattern here to play out, which would take the price potentially down to the 618.008. That does not have to play out that way. That is about a 56% drop from where you are right now, with a decent red candle spawning in here. Now we're at 1.7, but I would simply say keep it simple. As long as the price of JASMY holds our green box from 15 up to 16 here, then we're good to go here, and it's not going to end up breaking down, which is pretty much our neckline here. And if it does break down, if it does end up dropping all the way to 0.008, that would be the best buying opportunity on JASMY that it has been for a while. It's been holding up for a very long time here. Now, if the price only decides to break down and come down to the 0.5 at 1 penny, that is about a 37% drop. It would kind of fill the bearishness, if you will, that we need here off of this pattern, and it would also fill this gap here off of this large candle. So that could very well be the case, back to 1 penny here, 1.1, and then we get a nice bounce back to the upside. But just simply watch the prices here, 1.5 to 1.6. If we hold and bounce, once the price gets over the 236 here at 2.3, then we're back to being bullish again, and I would just scrub this from the chart here. And then your big question is, where's JASMY going to end up in the 2025 cycle here? My target, I would have to say, is a lot more bullish than most. A lot of people call anywhere from 20 to 30 to 35 cents here, which you can see here on the Gate.io chart. The 618 is 30 cents, which is a 14 billion market cap. So from today on JASMY, that would get you about almost a 17x. Now, over the months, and I would say over the past year, we've been looking at JASMY on both charts here. This one right here is the Coinbase chart. And here on the Coinbase chart, if it comes up to the 786 retracement, that takes you to 12 pennies, a 6 billion market cap. And the new high on this one is $1.31, 65 billion. But you can see that previous high on this chart is a 17.535 cent area. So this is what people are looking for. Somewhere around under or maybe a little bit above the previous high here is what they're looking for. But we're looking on that Gate.io older chart there, and that's the reason I'm liking the dollar price, because we can go a lot further back in time to draw our fib from the high to the low. And this one here takes us to that 786 retracement at $1.09, 50 billion market cap. And we're going to have JASMY come up here and go from today to about a 61x. So I do think JASMY is going to outperform most people's expectations this year, or this cycle in 2025. But of course, comment down below. What are your thoughts? Where do you think JASMY is going to end up? I know a lot of people say that if JASMY goes to $1, all the JASMY holders from back here that are holding millions of tokens, we're going to have all these millionaires made from JASMY, and that's not possible. But I say, why not? I said this last time. Why is that not possible? I think JASMY's hitting $1, 50 billion market cap, and this cycle in 2025 is going to be a lot bigger than people anticipate it to be. So comment down below. None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.